As I speak right now, this gentleman, the location is around Trasaco Valley. Trasaco Valley is a whole area no war. We have been monitoring this gentleman for over 6 months. American citizen or Ghanaian or clearance, government clearance. While full plane every say his main job is to go spend about 6 days in Ghana to help the NPP government rig the elections. Now,
Abusua sese ya meno kase de ase wiase nyina ani ediga na chi ni nyina ene memne da aba Ghana ye ba beto edi ye mampani esan se enna na aka no ayekuma bi na enibotete ya na jese yetu ya baninti amamonyofo no omu nyina ani abre wo mo ye campaign miomo campaign nim wo mo so aye communicators a kasa de ma party ahodo no enso ani abra wo mo kasa de ma party ni ye pa na nipa ba ko a okasa de ma NDC amanyoko no ene ye bra penin Kelvin Taylor wote abrochimem na odi ne dwuma ewo internet ne so ne dwuma de ba ko a odi no eye loud silence aye nim se Kelvin Taylor ne nsem bebre na ya na oka de ma NDC bebre na nsem na ya no de ba bonten ya na ebi no fakese na ye no bi so ho a ode nsem ne ba bonten hu se we die eye propaganda na ye brey oye na aka kakra bi amaya kwakwato abai Kelvin Taylor ewo ne loud silence ne so no de nsem bi aba betudwa dodo na esusu se we no ase eye fear and panic na opese wode ba ebiem so wo mu susu se eye isi no adwuma na Kelvin Taylor pese osei no ne nsem ben na ode betudwa manfo no etwe madwen se ne Kelvin Taylor eche nyina ne se abato na ayekwa akwato na 7 December ye meminde ya ebei wo hu ne se NPP4 akwakofa wo bi edifi abrochimem abepiem wo Ghana ha wo ba behwe no wi abanim ede ama NPP4 as yeto abani wi 7 December on the 8th of December na nipa no asan abuna ketem ede kwakopiem ewa abrochimem bebia wo fi ebae na sansemi na amanfo no ekase we die senka Kelvin Taylor wo Ghana ha nke wo se isi no anase police no etonsa ede frɛ no na oba bebo mo enchichimu se kamia ye se owo information pa ede fa abato no ho abusua me kan sem fa nhye Kelvin Taylor ano kame ho ne nyina ye nkonko ye se ne Kelvin Taylor kan ne nsem no esifaye afei ansa ne be kono me kai wo se Dr. Abednego contact na egu ase ho no obetimi afren for all your spiritual problems afei so subscribe my page we na mi adoma no so too much gh eya kai se ode be on be ka ho sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka busua ma yenkoko te se ne Kelvin Taylor kan nsem no esifaye.
This gentleman he's in Ghana right now for the United States of America, and I know whoever is part of the NPP coalition election rigging tactics, from NCA boss to the National Security Boys to the National Signal Bureau and to Mahmoud Bawumia's office. These people, they know what I'm talking about. But and that's one Bekana, details. And this gentleman is an American citizen. Waba Ghana. In fact, this gentleman, what happened was that Orlando Wokotoka on the 29th, on the 30th, and Orlando free a year America. Now, as I speak right now, this gentleman, the location is around a Trasaco Valley. Trasaco Valley is a whole area no war. We have been monitoring this gentleman for over 6 months. American citizen or Ghanaian or clearance, government clearance. While full plane every say his main job is to go spend about 6 days in Ghana to help the NPP government rig the elections. Now, we have kept tabs on this guy for a long time. Or a Ghanaian citizen. He's in Ghana right now. He actually landed on the 30th of this month, right? Now, I'm more details about this gentleman and things he needs to know, because at the end of he might end up in jail. Now, Ofri Aye Dallas Airport on the 29th of November. And Obefree Ghana on the 8th of December. He left United States of America 29th of November. See, he's in Ghana right now. And I know they will tell him because, okay, Ofri, US 29th of November, He's going to leave Ghana the 8th of December. Yatu abani the morning obe free Ghana. Now, ticket yatoma no. Ticket number ewo ni dimu JKGE 5R. JKGE 5R. Delta. And or the buy Delta and or the bako. Now, there's one thing I need to tell you. The date of birth, he was born 1989, a very young man, or a Ghanaian. We were Ghana on the 30th. His main job is to come rig the elections because our background in cyber security, he works with the American government. He basically lied to the American government and Odiura eye Ghana. His job is to be in Ghana from the 30th of November to the 8th of December. No free Ghana. He will come back to America on the 8th. Or be free Ghana on the 8th. On the 9th, no krumha. Now, Oko Ghana, no my show. I want him to know we know. And him coming back, he's coming to jail. Yeah. Because right now he's in Ghana, a very young guy. His date of birth, 2nd April 1989. 1989, and he's in Ghana right now. Now, my man show, I want him to understand the say whatever he's doing in Ghana, he has 48 hours to leave Ghana. Whatever he is doing in Ghana, he has 48 hours to leave Ghana, because our next episode, we are going to put his picture for the world to see who he is. For some reason, enter a memo with details, and they will send it to him tonight. Me say, he has 48 hours to leave Ghana, because the information he gave to customs and immigration in America, the Okwen or Ghana, is totally different from what he's doing. He landed Ura Ghana the 30th, Obefri Ghana on the 8th of December. Ya two abani we are the next day. Ejuma obe no oyewi na no answer no Masaba, America. Washington DC hanote. Or fly free. Ha. Now, let me show you. There's a reason why I'm not putting his picture up today. I want him to get the message. And whoever brought him, the ticketer, ye chama free, America, eba Ghana. It was the credit card was a commercial credit card. The credit card now you did tickets, money free, US, Ediaba Ghana on the 30th, it was a commercial credit card. In fact, I can get you the last digit of the credit card. So far as I speak, $200,000 has been sent to him. You are a federal worker. You have been cleared. You have a clearance. How you managed to take that money from Ghana, almost $200,000 as your payment. We know how that money was wired to you. This gentleman was born 1989. He has federal clearance. He entered Ghana the 30th of this month, which is Endra. He's going to be in Ghana to the 8th, then he'll leave. His job is to come and rig the election. He's a hacker. He came to hack the NDC coalition. That is his job. He entered Ghana to hack the NDC coalition, the biggest opposition party, collating the results. He's working with the national security in Ghana to hack. He's working with NCA boss and the NPP headquarters to hack the NDC 4 coalition system. That is why he's in Ghana. He's going to be there on the 8th. No parking in Yamanu PA or a Ghana Niba. You're 1982. Washington DC and Ofrikoye. He has a clearance in the US government. He's committing a felony. He's committing all the crimes. He might end up in jail on his return. We are telling him to leave Ghana to the United States in the next 48 hours. He needs to be out of Ghana. Now, my man shall the tickets, the seat number or the call Ghana, so that he will know that he has been monitored on Delta. The confirmation not na JKGE5R. Now, let me show you. He departed JFK, or free JFK straight and Oba Ghana. Now, he departed JFK 9:15 a.m. That was a Sunday, 9:15 a.m. Sorry. No. When he's coming to Accra, he's going to depart Accra 9:15 a.m. Obe depart Accra, Obe drew a JFK 3:45 p.m. That is on the 8th. That is his return. Now, I want to show you something. I'm going to show you his ticket from Washington, D.C. to Accra. Yeah, in 1989, he's in Ghana right now. I know his location. He's in Ghana. The NPP should tell him the crime he's committing, he's not going to work for the United States government again in his life. He has 48 hours to leave Ghana. 48 hours. Now, for some reason, I'm not going to put his name out because his name has been moved. Now, his ticket number, when he was coming to Ghana, let me tell him his ticket number. I gave him your confirmation number. The confirmation number or the free US JFK Eba Ghana no. Na JKGE5R. The confirmation number on Delta or the Bedroom Ghana 006 7191894064. That was his confirmation number. I will tell him his seat number. Baby out tnaya odibedu in Ghana. I'm not going to mention his name. He knows himself. Or less than 48 hours to leave this country, Ghana to America. You have government clearance. You are committing one of the highest crimes. When I put your picture up, you are done. And we will make sure you answer questions when you enter America. You have 48 hours to leave. You cannot go to Ghana, go hack the system for a political party to rig elections. People basically want to do what? Want to protect the democracy. You are a young Ghanaian. You are a young man. Now, Sita or the buyer, na his seat number. The cabin seat number, Obano na Otsi. Surprisingly, you know what they do? They did not give him first class tickets because they didn't want any, because or your federal worker, because or clearance. So we are buying our clearance. Ucha first class ticket. I buy the question. Ebusa said, where did you get $5,000 to $6,000 to buy first class to travel to Ghana? Because you have clearance. So do you know what they do? They did. They bought him an economy ticket. Now, seat out so every JFK Edinburgh Accra na seat number 30. Washington to New York. Or the kind to free dollars New York echo JFK. And free JFK and call Ghana. That was how his trip was. Into free Washington DC and a flight to JFK, New York, and a flight from New York to Ghana. Because we're a federal worker, because of clearance, on person better not first class, or it's not first class, the government can detect to say, then I buy a Juma ultimate first class. Into what they didn't say, I'm going to ticket with a commercial credit card, and I'm money full economy. The economy ticket from Washington DC to JFK, or it's not seat number 10D. Washington to New York City. Or tna seat number 10D. They know what I'm saying. This young man is done. He'll go to jail. Or tna seat number 10D. Now, from New York to Accra, or tna seat number 38D. Now, say free Accra eba New York and son of New York aba in Washington. Because remember, DC dollars to New York to Accra. Oba so ebe Accra to New York to Dallas. Now, say Oba on the 8th now. From Accra to New York, Oba tina 37D. That is his return ticket. Now, for New York, Eba Washington, Dallas, Oba tina 10D. That's the reverse. This gentleman is in Ghana right now. In fact, you this boy, you have messed up big time. Yeah. Now, flight or the free Washington to New York, near DL3950. We have tracked him, and that is the end of this guy. He needs to leave Ghana in less than 48 hours. He has to be out of Ghana in less than 48 hours. In fact, let me show you his location right now in Ghana. I'm not going to put it on the screen. His location, Trasaco Valley, Phase 1. That is the area he is right now. Trasaco Valley. He's a young man. He didn't know. We've been putting tabs on him. And somebody who has clearance, we Jumama America buying we a citizen. You don't do that. You don't do that. You don't go into another country to hack a system. He is in Ghana right now. He was born 1989. A year 2489. That any year I don't know. I am giving him less than 48 hours. He should leave Ghana and come back here because I know his ticket. Or change your ticket now. I'll still know. I will still know wherever he passes. I'm giving him less than 48 hours to exit Ghana. Whatever he went to do in Ghana, he'll come and answer questions here. I have your full name. I know what you do here. I know you have clearance. I know you are committing a crime in another country. So this is the first breaking news. All right.
Insebusia in some way and I ever penny Kelvin Taylor Eddie Ababetuja watch Nipakra NPP4 Aquacofano Edna Baby PM or my gun Musa Womeshe na Abana Womo Ebabetuno obets me a ream Eddie Ama NPP4 and no and a Ghana phone Echa Womadrin and our Mochess Eba Kelvin Taylor Eba Bontin Eba Canatra said Diana a cheap propaganda be and a war yenifri Abaya Quacotu Ubia Ejinamubi NPP4 NDC4 Afofranto Chada any woman Amakanyina Ekeka Hubia Ubia police station bia so a one agent enti say ye nyina enim say we NDC ni say wo ba bonten ebe ka ne say NPP4 akwakofo bi so mewi abanim na say NPP ni bi so ba bonten ebe ka say NDC4 so akwakofo bi say o mewi abanim ana ede e na Kelvin Taylor ekofa ba na eka me ye say wo de ehu e na eba be hye amanfo no bi so electoral commission adwuma wo ye no e na Kelvin Taylor pese odi efi ene nkekaye bi keka ho a ebinom kwa kyerese senka wo Ghana ha enka waso mo hwene manefa ne hu de waso mo to nsafre no na ensem a wo information a wo no wo de ba abonten e ma Ghana fo nyina etimi ehu se ne be na ebeboa omen asumdwe ma ye hu comment e wo video yi ase na fe me kai wo se e too much gh subscribe my page we na fe me adoma no sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka background